I am feeling low today.
Meditate for 10 minutes.
I am not feeling well.
Early morning meditation helps.
I am unable to focus on my studies.
Meditate every morning.
I like to take life turning decisions.
Early morning meditation helps.
My relationship is crumbling.
Meditate, things will be fine.
I want a business idea that clicks.
Sit in silence and meditate. Are you familiar with these statements? Do they make you wonder why meditation seems to be the solution no matter what you are going through? The word meditation is derived from the word mediri, which means to heal. What does it heal? It heals our mind, which in turn heals our life. Our mind is the most powerful creative force. It is constantly creating thoughts and feelings, whether we are awake or asleep, whether we realize or we don't. What we do and how we feel are the outcomes of the thoughts we think. Meditation takes care of our mind. During meditation, we create one thought about who we want to be. It could be about releasing an emotional blockage, creating a new and healthy habit, changing patterns of thinking, changing our perceptions about people, deleting hurtful memories, and responding to life situations positively. The list can be long. Meditation programs the mind to create the reality we want through a 3 steps process: affirmations, visualizations, and manifestations. We know the power of affirmations and visualizations to create miracles in the outer world. Meditation gives us the power to create miracles in our inner world of thoughts, emotions, and personality. Affirmations. Quite literally, every thought we think and every word we speak is an affirmation. This means moments after moment, day after day, for an entire lifetime, we create either positive or negative affirmations about ourselves or situations. Affirmations about ourselves are like announcements we make about our life, who we are, what we want, and what we do. During meditation, we carefully create affirmative sentences of our goals in the powerful positive tone and keep repeating them. We do not say I should, I want to, I wish, or I will try. We create only one thought: I am. As though we already have achieved what we want. Isn't it deceptive? No, it's not. By consistently repeating them over and over, again and again, we drill the thoughts into the subconscious mind and program it to think that way. We replace thoughts of doubts, fear, and all other negative patterns with the thought of who we want to be. The mind creates over 50,000 thoughts in a day. Every thought is followed by a feeling. Feelings over a period of time develops our attitude. Attitude comes into action. Any action done repeatedly becomes a habit. All our habits put together shapes our personality. Our personality creates our destiny. Simply, thoughts create destiny. Can you afford to create even a single wrong thought? Positive affirmations change our thought patterns and have a direct influence on our destiny. Visualizations is a proven technique to create a life we desire. Using our mental power and imaginations, when we visualize our affirmations during meditation, we create images or play out the entire scene on the screen of our mind. We make the experience as real as possible. As we draw closer to the experience in our mind, we also get closer to the experience them in our life. Visualizations and affirmations allow you to change your beliefs, assumptions, and opinions about the most important person in your life, you. Meditation is simply create the information about yourself, visualize it, hold the visual on the screen of your mind, feel yourself being that way, experience it as if it were real. Repeated meditation on the same affirmation will make it reality. First in your inner world and then in the outer world of behavior and relationships. Consider an example scenario. Suppose tomorrow morning you decide, I will be calm, stable and happy the entire day today, and then immediately follow it up with the thought, but I doubt if I can do it. Today I will meet a client who puts me off with irritating conversations. I hope do I not lose my temper again. Each one of these thoughts is an affirmation. There is a tendency to create more such thoughts and visualize yourself getting angry, drifting away from happiness that you wanted to be. So, the chances of you being happy before, during, and after meeting that client come down, and your bad mood might interfere in interaction with other people too. Now consider what happens when you regularly practice meditation. Suppose you take this affirmation during meditation. I am a happy being. Peoples are their way. I am my way, happy and kind. I accept people. I am calm and stable in every situation in life today. Your mind gets programmed about how you will be in whatever you do. The affirmation overrides your old limiting beliefs that your happiness depends on people, depends on circumstances. The visualizations of remaining internally peaceful will take you closer to manifesting it. Even hours after meditation that day, the patterns of happiness, calmness, and stability in your consciousness remain activated. So your happiness will not fluctuate with people or situation. You will more likely remain calm and happy before, during, and after your interaction with the same client, with their same behavior, and also, of course, with everyone else. Consistent meditation practice shifts your inner programming from stress to calmness, irritation to patience, anger to empathy, fear to confidence, heart to compassion. Taking out 30 minutes out of 24 hours, committing to meditate daily is only one decision away. You can meditate in the morning and at night before going to sleep. We can meditate during the day while traveling, cooking, or working. We can meditate anywhere in the comfort of our home or at our workplace. Eventually, meditation doesn't just remain a 30 or 40 minutes routine. Meditation became our lifestyle. Meditate to create a person you want to be. Meditate to create health. Meditate to create beautiful relationships. Meditate to create peaceful world. Meditate to shine within.